Welcome all dear students. Here we are going to discuss the short answer questions on the poem Leisure. Leisure by W.H. Davies. This is the introduction. W.H. Davies is a Welsh poet and a writer. The poem Leisure explores the poet's idea of a life well lived. The poet emphasizes that we should have leisure time in our life to enjoy ordinary things. Everybody is completely busy in his day-to-day work. We miss the simple joys and beauty that we can find all around us. The emptiness of life can be destroyed when a person will have leisure time to enjoy the beauty of nature. The first question is here. What is the meaning of the word leisure? Is the poet in favor of it or against it? प्रश्नाचा अर्थ आहे लेजर या शब्दाचा अर्थ काय आणि कवी या फेवरचा आहे की नाही. The meaning of the word leisure is a time of rest and relaxation. The poet is in favor of it. He says that our life is not fulfilling if we don't have time of leisure. Second question. Explain in your own words what the poet wishes to convey in leisure. The poet wishes to convey that we should have a leisure time to enjoy the small things of nature. He suggests that we should not run for material joy. We should stop for a couple of minutes to appreciate the smaller delights from nature. Third question is here. What aspect of life troubles the poet? And the answer is, man does not have time to stop and watch the beauty of nature. Man is engrossed in the worries and cares of life. We are running for material joy only. This aspect of life troubles the poet. Fourth question is here on your screen. What does the poet mean by the phrase stand and stare? Is the poet in favor of idleness or laziness? त्याचा अर्थ आहे या कवितेमध्ये स्टँड अँड स्टेअर ही जी फ्रेज आली आहे त्याचा अर्थ काय आणि उपप्रश्न आहे कवी आयडलनेस किंवा लेझीनेसचा सपोर्ट करतो का म्हणजे आळशी असण्याचा कवीला या ठिकाणी अर्थ अभिप्रेत आहे का. आयडलनेस आणि लेझीनेस म्हणजे आळस. अँड द आन्सर इज द पोएट मीन्स दॅट we do not have time to enjoy the beautiful things in life. He expresses his agony of not having time to enjoy the normal joys. The poet is not in favor of idleness or laziness. He just wants to get some time from daily work to enjoy small things in life. कवीला असं म्हणायचं आहे की आपल्याजवळ निसर्गातल्या किंवा आपल्या जीवनातल्या सुंदर गोष्टी एन्जॉय करण्याकरिता वेळच नाही. तो आपली ॲगनी म्हणजे वेदना या ठिकाणी व्यक्त करतो की आपण आपल्या जीवनातल्या साध्या आनंदसुद्धा उपभोगू शकत नाही. खरं म्हणजे कवी यावरून त्याला आपण आळशी असलं पाहिजे लेझी असलं पाहिजे असं तो म्हणत नसून तो फक्त एवढं सांगतो आहे की आपल्या दैनंदिन कामामधून सुद्धा आपण थोडा वेळ काढून साध्या गोष्टींमध्ये आनंद शोधला पाहिजे. फिफ्थ क्वेश्चन. Elaborate on the theme of the poem Leisure. The poet says that we should have time to enjoy small things in life. We are completely busy in day-to-day work. We can enjoy the life by stopping and staring at the beautiful things of life. The emptiness of life can be destroyed by the beauty of nature. हे झालं या प्रश्नाचं उत्तर. लक्षात घ्या, हे शॉर्ट आन्सर क्वेश्चन्स आहेत आणि शॉर्ट आन्सर क्वेश्चन्सचं उत्तर लिहिताना पर्टिक्युलर उत्तर आपल्याला त्या ठिकाणी लिहायचं असेल. अँड दिस इज द 6th क्वेश्चन. व्हाय डू यू थिंक we have no time to stand and stare? People are completely busy in daily work. They are busy in worries and cares of life. We do not enjoy smaller and beautiful things in life. We should stop for a couple of minutes to appreciate the smaller delights from nature. म्हणजे लोक त्यांच्या दैनंदिन कामामध्ये फारच व्यस्त आहेत. ते त्यांच्या जीवनातील चिंता आणि काळजीमध्येच त्रस्त आहेत. आपल्याजवळ जीवनातल्या लहान लहान आणि सुंदर गोष्टी एन्जॉय करण्याला वेळ नाही. तर आपण 2 मिनटासाठी शांत थांबलं पाहिजे आणि ज्या निसर्गामधल्या लहान लहान आनंददायी गोष्टी आहेत त्यांचं कौतुक केलं पाहिजे, ॲप्रिसिएट केलं पाहिजे. So these are the short answer questions on this poem Leisure. I am sure that you will understand the meaning and you will have more and more practice on this and have a fun also. Thank you very much.